The 80/20th rule, also known as the Pareto principle, is a powerful idea that can change how you work and live. It states that roughly 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. This means that a small amount of what you do has the biggest impact. Think about it. Do all your tasks carry the same weight? Probably not. The 80/20th rule helps you identify the crucial few tasks that truly matter. By focusing on these high-impact activities, you can achieve significantly more with less effort. This principle applies to almost every aspect of life and work. From the clients you serve to the tasks you tackle, understanding the 80/20th split can lead to greater efficiency and success. The key is to identify and prioritize the 20% that matters most. This requires observation, analysis, and a willingness to let go of tasks that don't contribute significantly to your goals. Prioritization is the key to unlocking the power of the 80/20th rule. It's about working smarter, not harder. By focusing on the vital few tasks, you can free up time and energy for what truly matters. Imagine you have a to-do list a mile long. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, the 80/20th rule encourages you to identify the 20% of tasks that will yield 80% of the results. These high-impact tasks are the ones that will move the needle the furthest toward your goals. By prioritizing them, you ensure that your time and energy are invested in activities that generate the most significant returns. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks, while seemingly urgent, might not contribute much to your overall goals. The 80/20th rule encourages you to delegate, automate, or even eliminate these tasks to create more space for the vital few. The 80/20th rule can be a game changer in the workplace. It helps you focus on the tasks that truly drive results and contribute to your team's success. For example, do you know which 20% of your clients generate 80% of your revenue? By identifying these key clients, you can tailor your efforts to nurture those relationships and potentially discover new opportunities within that group. Similarly, are there certain projects or tasks that consistently deliver the most significant outcomes for your team? By focusing on these high-impact projects, you can ensure that your team's efforts are aligned with the company's strategic goals. The 80/20th rule also encourages delegation. By identifying tasks that can be effectively handled by others, you can free up your time to focus on your strengths and the activities that require your unique expertise. Section 4. The 80/20th rule in your personal life. The 80/20th rule isn't just for the office, it can revolutionize your personal life as well. Think about the activities that bring you the most joy and fulfillment. Are you spending 80% of your free time on those activities, or are you bogged down by less rewarding commitments? Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language or pick up a musical instrument. By applying the 80/20th rule, you can identify and eliminate time-wasting activities that don't bring you joy, freeing up space to pursue your passions. The 80/20th rule can also be applied to your relationships. Are there a few close friends or family members who bring you the most joy and support? Nurturing these relationships is just as important, if not more so, than maintaining a large social circle that may not contribute as much to your overall well-being. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, increased productivity and motivation. Applying the 80/20th rule boosts productivity. Focus on impactful tasks to work smarter, not harder. This efficiency fuels motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Positive results keep you focused and committed. The 80/20th rule reduces stress and overwhelm. Prioritize vital tasks for calm and control. Achieve more with less effort and feel fulfilled. Embrace the 80/20th rule and unlock your potential. The 80/20th rule is a simple yet profound principle that can transform the way you work and live. Focus on the vital few to achieve extraordinary results. Reflect on your work and personal life. Identify the 20% of activities generating 80% of your results. Delegate, automate, or eliminate to free up time and energy. The 80/20th rule is a journey, not a destination. Work smarter, not harder. Unlock new levels of productivity and success. Take action today. Embrace the 80/20th rule and unlock your full potential.